Good evening, students. Right, if I have to tell you, I think you're seeing it on the board. Today is a very special video for you all. That's nothing but the comment section. So basically, I was thinking to do this since long. As I said, WOC is that channel with it doesn't have any value without you all, isn't it? I keep saying this always. That too from bottom of my heart. So every day I think I keep receiving loads of comments. There's some other video. Basically, WOC I have done almost 1600 plus videos, almost, if I have to tell you perfectly, around 1605 something. So many videos I have done. So with that, every video, whenever a student is watching, they tend to, out of love and affection, you try to send a message, you try to send a comment, let it be good, let it be bad, or that comes out from your heart. I understand that. So today I'm going to do, or I have picked a few comments from those particular videos, not all, because 1600 videos, so many comments, it is like almost a 2 years journey, correct? Yes. So I have picked a few. Part 2 also is coming up. So today I wish, and let us see what do you all think about your Vani ma'am. As I said, WOC is that channel which is started on September 7. It is started on September 17th, 2 years back. We here, or if I have to tell you, the passion of chemistry, the love and affection which you show, all this mutual relationship has made us grow. This world of chemistry, and that too your Vani ma'am. I am really privileged and happy to share these comments with you all, because once again, note my lines. You as a student, we as educators, there is nothing without this rapport. Because of this rapport or the relationship which is very strong, the channel is running wonderfully. Thank you so much from bottom of my heart. Let us see what do you all think about WOC, your Vani ma'am. Let me read the comment. Right, so please don't take it to heart. Ma'am has read this comment. Few I picked up. As I said, thousands and thousands of comments. Done. So here this message is basically a student by name Satya and Basil. Maybe if I'm not reading it properly, the name, don't mind. Satya and Basil has written, she has taken my name, the name which my parents have given me, VANI, correct? Your Vani ma'am. She said, Vani ma'am, V stands for victorious, A stands for adorable, N stands for nifty, and I stands for intelligent teacher. Oh wow. Then she said Vani ma'am is victorious, adorable, and nifty, intelligent teacher. Thank you so much, Satya. The words of a particular, my parents have given that name, and with that you sat, took time and did, or you made or framed some words for me. Thank you so much. God bless you. It was really wonderful. Let us see the next comment. Arjun Online. He has written, you are so cute, ma'am, with English. Because of your English speech only, I'm watching and downloading your videos, ma'am. That's so cute of you, Arjun. Thank you for giving a compliment to me. At the same time, being a student, you're doing, like, you're trying to study. That's also wonderful. Anyways, for giving me a compliment that you're cute, thank you. For understanding the lectures and practicing it, very good for that. Thank you, Arjun. Next comes Banur Srinivas Reddy. Okay, Banur Srinivas Reddy has written, ma'am, you're God of chemistry, ma'am. You helped me a lot. I have attempted 2019 NEET because of you. I got 111 marks in chemistry. Nice. But I have lost exam. I'm attempting, ma'am, NEET 2020, ma'am, and he has given that blessings. He has put that namaskara. Thank you so much, Srinivas Reddy. God bless you. I'm always saying, believe in yourself. And for the faith you have on WOC and your Vani ma'am, you'll surely get in NEET examination, upcoming NEET examination. Nothing to worry, all the best, right? So thank you for that. Next comes ChemFills. Okay, ChemFills has written, thank you, ma'am. I will show this video to my younger brother. He's in grade 10. As you all know, WOC has expanded. Initially it was for 12, gradually 11th, now 10th also. So as I started uploading videos for grade 10th, so ChemFills says this channel is also useful for my brother. Thank you. So I want your brother to stay with me till your JEE or NEET exam he completes. 10, 11, 12 JEE as well as NEET. Thank you so much. Next comes Anandita Muthu Kumar. Okay. So she has written wonderful explanation, ma'am. I have always feared of organic chemistry, but after watching your videos, I feel confident with the questions. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, Anandita. Right? So basically, when we see, or normally everybody has a core, this one, what, the chemistry is tough, but you, as you said, organic chemistry, where maximum students get feared. I'm happy that you have taken it as a challenge and gone through all the videos, like organic chemistry in 3 days, organic chemistry tips, tricks. Thank you so much, Anandita. I'm really happy. Next comes, I'm not able to read this full name, but I'm sorry. I'll try it. Kyajeling, I'm sorry if I'm not able to read. It is Sala. The last one is Sala. I'm really sorry because little bit different your name is. But she is the most inspired teacher and awesome teaching. Now I'm at BSc level and your concept helped me a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So if I'm not spelled your name properly, I'm really sorry. Name is reflecting here. Please check, because the student is in BSc level and then too the concepts are helpful. Really, I'm really privileged. Thank you for that. Next comes Rakesh Tiwari. I'm a chemistry teacher, but still I follow your videos which enable me to teach effectively. Oh, that's nice. As I said, World of Chemistry is that channel which has a good rapport with the teachers, good rapport with the head of the institutes, good rapport with the students, and very good rapport with the parents also. So Rakesh Tiwari, I'm really happy, and I really feel, I can't express those in words, because if knowledge is shared, if my teaching is really helpful for the teacher fraternity, thank you so much, Rakesh, for sharing your view. Then comes Sejal Pandey. Chemistry is easy now. Yep. Ma'am, now I can understand all the concepts, all organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, everything. Thank you for giving your precious time to us. May God bless you, ma'am. Thank you so much, Sejal. I gave that confidence to you. I'm trying to design ones, or pick up that confidence, and I'm able to help you out. Thank you for that, Sejal. Please stay connected. Next comes Potunuri Manikanta 286. Potunuri Manikanta 286. Madam, with your classes, I have cleared by backlogs. Such a wonderful concept and explanation. Thank you. Very good, Manikanta. See, you are a fighter. You have really taken up it as a challenge and you have cleared your backlogs. God bless you. All the best. Right. Next comes Bhanushri. Ma'am, please do videos for NTSC exam for 10th class students. Ma'am, we trust on you and your classes. If you are with us, we definitely will crack NTSC stage 1 and stage 2. Wow. East or west, Mani ma'am is the best. Thank you so much, Bhanushri. As I said, NTSC, good. NTSC level 1, level 2 cracking is very important. I promise, once I complete uploading, I'll also find time and parallelly upload NTSC questions also, so that maximum students would get selected in that. So Bhanushri, thank you for the confidence, and I promise I'm going to stand up to your what do you say, the opinion which you have. I'm going to stand up to that expectation and help you out. Thank you. Next comes Aman Tiwari. Yes ma'am, you teach very nice and your teaching level is really high. Okay, and I'm from Bhopal. Nice. WC is that channel which is reaching all the states of India. Not only India, it has also reached Pakistan. I'm really happy. And also it has reached other states also. Even it has gone worldwide. They keep sending messages. They say, I'm from Iraq, I'm from Iran. Like that, they keep sending messages and they say it is very helpful. That is a wonderful blessing. Correct? So thank you so much, Aman. Please stay happy, stay safe, and I salute to all the people who really are connected with WOC. Thank you, Aman. Next comes, this name is Matu Kumali Chandra. Okay, so Chandra, basically Chandra, yes, she is deserved for appreciation. She is second to none in chemistry. Thank you so much. Pray to God to good health and happiness throughout her life to teach chemistry for the benefit of poor and downtrodden. Thank you, ma'am. Really, really, Chandra, I'm so happy, because here, as I said, if WOC as an platform, as a YouTube platform, the online platform, if I'm trying to reach the downtrodden people or those who can't opt for coaching classes, those where schools doesn't have teachers, those students who can't understand or get or buy books, if this WOC or World of Chemistry is useful for them, I'm really blessed. In one way, I'm also jealous, because I think God has given me so many students with so many blessings, and you know, that feeling that I am privileged to have those students, I'm privileged to have these, I'm trying to connect, you know, that thing is always there. But in a positive note, I'm so happy I'm able to also help the downtrodden people. God bless you. Keep sharing. Thank you once again, Chandra. Next comes Kavya K. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. I like your way of teaching. Please teach physics also, ma'am. Okay. Because your teaching can be easily understood. Very nice, Kavya. Thank you for the confidence you have. Basically, in WOC in 100 seconds, as I said, we have started one more channel. There, I am also uploading physics, yes, which is useful for your JEE as well as NEET along with CBSE. So there, the World of Chemistry in 100 seconds, physics topics are also going on. Please watch the community tab. If you subscribe the channel, you can also watch physics there. Thank you once again, Kavya. Next comes Arya. So Arya, I think this is just 1 2 hours back. Our teacher can't show us this lab. Basically, that was a comment which is given below Brown ring test. So our teacher can't show us this lab because nowadays we are basically studying from our bedrooms. Always thank you and emoji of smile. True, Arya, because during this pandemic, during this lockdown period, wherever it is your comfort zone, no problem, drawing room, bedroom, your garden, anywhere, if you are able to concentrate and really take up that particular study, because chemistry is that subject where I keep telling, if you love it, you will really, you will enjoy that particular field when you are studying. So no problem. I'm happy during this lockdown, sitting in any of your rooms or sitting outside, even on the road also, no problem. If you're enjoying that, if you're grasping, I'm really happy. Thank you, Arya. Next comes Nirmala John, Dundi Nirmala John. Thank you, ma'am. So clearly explained. Thank you so much. Ma'am, you have cleared all my doubts. Thank you. Thank you so much, Nirmala. God bless you. I don't know whether you're a teacher, student, I don't know. But anyways, thank you so much, and please stay connected. Next comes Swapna Girish. Right. Hello, ma'am. I got 95% in class 12 CBSE with 95 in chemistry. Thank you very much for your support and guidance. Oh wow, Swapna, God bless you. I thought to do this video immediately after CBSE examination results, but I was so busy I could not do it. But all your comments are there in this phone. Everything is preserved in my heart, isn't it? So Swapna, congratulations for getting 95 in chemistry, and all the best for your future. Always remember your hard work counts, correct? Yes. So congratulations and thank you so much. Next comes Anusha Pikachu. Nice name. Ma'am, I got 95 marks in chemistry. I learned organic chemistry tricks and conversions by watching your videos, ma'am. Thank you so much for your support and guidance, ma'am. With lots of respect and gratitude from Tamil Nadu. Wow. Thank you so much, Anusha. So basically, I keep seeing messages. People say, I'm from Tamil Nadu, I'm from Karnataka, I'm from Bhopal, I'm from so-and-so state, Andhra Pradesh, everything, rather all the states of India. I feel so happy that you have taken it to your heart and you are having or you're developing that rapport with WOC, nothing your Vani ma'am is with Vani ma'am. I always say, whichever state you belong, you are there here. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Anusha, for utilizing the services of mine by studying or taking up organic chemistry tricks and conversions. I expect you to have a bright future. God bless you. Next comes Visa Manokaran. 99 in chemistry, overall 97%, ma'am. Wow. Chemistry marks are more than the overall percentage. That means you have done 100% study in chemistry. God bless you, Manokaran. Really, as I said, that 99 which you have scored will be there with you for the whole life. You can tell your future generations when you grow old also, I got 99 in chemistry. Nobody is going to squeeze your hard work, or nobody can take up your hard work. The thing which can't be steal or which nobody can take is the hard work and your knowledge. Correct? Money can be robbed, money can be stealed, property, anything can be stealed, but knowledge can't be stealed or your hard work can't be stealed or copied. Correct? Thank you so much, Manokaran. Next comes Nish. 95 in chemistry, all because of you guidance, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Best mentor. Thank you so much, Nish. As I said, your hard work has made that miracle, but I, from my side, helps you to go into that path. Thank you so much. There were students sending loads of messages after the CBSE board examination, but as I said, time constraint, I could not answer. Thank you. Hello ma'am, I got 95 in chemistry. The entire credit goes to your wonderful lectures. Do not have words to thank to you. Thank you, thank you. Wow. This is said by Harmeen Bhatia. Thank you so much, Harmeen. Really, when you say 95 in chemistry, no problem. Out of 70 out of chemistry is also wonderful. When you say that, that satisfaction which you have and the satisfaction which I could create, or the satisfaction which I could, or the confidence which I could build in you, I'm really happy. And only because of your hard work and little from my side also. But as I said, God bless you, Harmeen. Remember, believe in your hard work. Right. Next comes Kushi Kumari. Congratulations, ma'am. I have been in this channel for a few months now, and I got to say one of the best chemistry teachers out there. I wish you all the best for your future things, and we will always be your trusted students through it. Ma'am, really to see you in Unacademy Plus platform. Thank you so much, Kushi. As you know, I'm already there in the Unacademy Plus platform in the English department. Means English is a mode of teaching. I'm already there and classes are also regularly going. Thank you so much, Kushi. And as I said, your rapport, your relation, your commitment with the WOC, and parallelly, my commitment with you all is going to work for long and long. Though Vani ma'am is joining an academy, though Vani ma'am is busy with her regular job schedule, WOC is a first priority. Remember that. It's my baby, which I have grown it since 2.5 years. Thank you so much, Kushi. God bless you. And the students who are there in Unacademy also, I am going to give my 100% there. Done. Next comes Abhijit. NEET chemistry strategies for 2022 students. Many students are craving for talented teachers like you. That's wow. You must do this. I will share that to all my friends, and thinking chemistry is tough. Please do this. Yes, Abhijit. The confidence which you have, I'll stand up to that. As you said, 2022 NEET chemistry tricks. So basically this year, only 11th states of matter, which I'm going to upload very soon. After that, 10th is ready, 11th is going on, it'll go on, and next 12th is already ready. And then for the next year, for 2021 and 22 students, I'm there with you all. Not 22, I'm there with you all for a long time, and I'm planning to have have a completely NEET and JEE section. So WOC will be NEET and JEE sections. Questions will be solved on that pattern only in upcoming in 1 month. All right, thank you so much, Abhijit. All the best. I stay connected. I am there with you till you complete your NEET examination. Let us see the next comment, students. Yes, let's see this. So this is written by Subhashini V. Right, she said, ma'am, I'm highly inspired by your way of teaching. Chemistry is my favorite subject. Before I grew into level that chemistry is my top favorite subject. Thank you, ma'am, for making this. Oh, wow. Subhashini, you know, every word which you have written is so crystal clear, and you have really just, you know, your words are inspiring me more. If chemistry has become your favorite subject, thank you so much for that. God bless you. Please don't forget, chemistry is, should and must be your favorite subject always. At the same time, try to balance all the other subjects also. You will be the best. Next comes Prajwal Gowda. It's all about the two special qualities of yours, ma'am. The way you teach is extraordinary. Point number 1. Point number 2 is the way you respond for each and every student, ma'am. The highlighted lines are worth for you, ma'am. I am from Karnataka. Thank you so much, Prajwal Gowda. The two qualities which you really mentioned is, you know, I am blushing here. Thank you for the confidence you have, Prajwal. God bless you, and thank you once again for having confidence in me. Next comes, if I have to tell you, Sriram. He has written, thank you so much, ma'am, for your efforts. Your trick series for NEET is really great. Early waiting for such videos daily. Okay. You will never leave us hopeless. Thank you so much, Sriram. The confidence you have, I promise I am not going to leave this WOC. It is my heart. Correct? Thank you so much, Sriram, for the wonderful message. Then comes, you know, Lords. He is also written, yes, very nice, interesting comments. Lot are there. Few things only I have picked up. I'll be doing part 2 also of this very soon. And Uma has written, ma'am, I'm highly impressed by your way of teaching. Ma'am, I love your teaching, ma'am. Thank you so much. Or thanks for everything you do to us, ma'am. Thanks a lot. So here, what happens, you know, like students are talking or students are sharing so many things, so many messages are there. Only few picked up and kept. Remember, students, here your 2 things you need to just always note: your hard work, your commitment, your passion. Hard work and commitment, one word together, it should go. Passion is one more. If you have these 2 qualities inbuilt in you, and if you work, let it be your grade 10, 11, 12 or JEE or NEET, even your life. I keep always telling to my children also, whatever work you start, you finish it or end it, you need to work till the end. You start something, end it, and then leave it. It goes on. So these are the wonderful comments. As my phone has become heavy because of your comments, if I have to tell you, I'll be reading or doing the part 2 also. The comments which I could not read, I'll be updating in that. So thank you once again, students. I am also hoping and praying once you've completed your JEE and NEET, don't leave WOC. Please be connected. This is a relation which is going to go for long. God bless you all, and every message I have enjoyed and read it. God bless you. But one thing, comments, good comments, accepted. There are certain few comments which really, you know, it really pricks. They say you are looking like that. Don't do that. Here we as educators, we are trying to give you knowledge. You as students, please take that knowledge positively. God bless you. Stay safe, stay happy. Signing off, your Anima.